conflict in Ukraine, energy crisis, tension on supply chains already disrupted by the health crisis, inflation, 2022 has accumulated a great number of geopolitical, economic and social difficulties.
At the end of last year, we had to look into the sale of our Russian operations to a local buyer.
This context of uncertainty did not prevent Michelin from delivering strong results and demonstrating the relevance of its growth strategy. Faced with an increasingly fragmented society, Michelin makes social cohesion a top priority. It acts for a balanced sharing of value and a common base of protection for all its employees. Michelin commits its teams to the future by building a common dream, supported by its Michelin in Motion strategy. The group is continuing its research investments and is deploying its innovative strength with, around and beyond tyres. With tyres, Michelin is steadily expanding its range for all types of mobility, prioritizing high added value markets. At a time when electric vehicles are profoundly transforming the vehicle fleet, Michelin is the preferred partner of manufacturers. Committed to reducing the environmental impact of tyres, the group relies on its technological leadership and its ability to forge partnerships to support the development of new industrial sectors. Yet, Michelin also differentiates itself through a more holistic approach to environmental issues, by aiming to reduce the overall impact of its tyres at every stage of their life cycle.
We don't just design sustainable tires on paper, we make them for real.
A champion of innovation, the group was awarded the prize for Best Manufacturer of the Year for the 6th year, an all-time record. Around tyres, Michelin is accelerating its development in the field of connected mobility. With offers now grouped under a single brand, the group is helping fleet managers to meet new operational, human and environmental demands. Michelin is also strengthening the development of its water offer to promote the energy transition of fleets. Finally, the group is continually enhancing its technologies for collecting and managing connected data to offer new solutions to make roads and infrastructure ever safer. Beyond tyres, the group is leveraging its unique expertise in materials while developing an active merger and acquisition activity. Michelin is expanding its presence in the field of flexible composites, polymers, and even in the medical field. Michelin is also pursuing its commitment to emerging technologies by favouring strategic partnerships that promote market development. Driven by the conviction that the future depends on the balanced development of its activities, Michelin is deploying its 2030 strategy without compromising on any of its environmental and social commitments. In a changing world, the group is reaffirming its strategy and relying more than ever on its technological leadership and the cohesion of its teams to unite energies and pave the way towards a more sustainable future.